Hi there. I'm going to cover the Data Manager Creates Issue user story. This process for creating issues is distinct from the issues being created on the device through some logic in a form. This is an issue being created by a person on the server who's reviewing data. So over on the right-hand side, I have an installed web app for this group. As you can see, if you're familiar with Marge Simpson, the last name is misspelled. If we look at the registration form, we can see that last name has two N's. Should be one. So that data has been uploaded. So let's say I'm a data manager and my job is to look at the data being uploaded. Let's check out cases and look at that case and review this form. We can review all the parts of the form, but we spot an issue. Last name. On editor, we now have this new issue button. You won't see this on client, just on editor. So I can create this new issue. Say, looks like, or possible typo in last name during registration. Some description. Submit this issue. So this created an issue for that specific form, in that specific event, in that specific case. We could review the case, review the form as it currently is in the database. These are just shortcuts to getting to where I was. We can quickly view the current version of the form. We can see Simpson with two N's. Nothing proposed yet, no differences. So let's propose a fix for that typo. And go through and finish this form. So now we can see that the original had Simpson with two N's, and the proposed is Simpson with one N. This is this one revision. The total sum of differences is just that one change on the last name field. I can see that here in proposed in the form, but it's not currently in the database if we go to that form. Still two N's, right? So let's say my job was to review issues, and I reviewed this issue, and I said this change looks good. This change looks good to me. I then click the merge button, saves it to the database. And if we then go and review that form, we can see Simpson with one N now. And after the tablet syncs on their next sync, they'll also download this change. And these issues stick around, now a closed issue, to give us a history of what's happened in the database as far as changes go. That's all for this user story. Thanks for watching.